Welcome back, everybody. So here I am working with a Land Rover. This is a 2007 Discovery Sport. But Land Rover's maintenance, I've heard from one of my customers that their dealer told them that the oil should be changed every 20,000 miles. Now, that's excessive to me, being in this industry as long as I have been. Now, this is from the 2007. And as we can see, it says engine oil, replace filter every 7,500 miles. But the one thing a lot of people don't realize or haven't been told, if you have a high proportion of short journeys or operate in severe conditions, like city driving, especially like here in the Atlanta area, you probably want to change the oil way more frequently than that. This says you cut your maintenance intervals in half. So instead of 7,500 miles, you're between 3,000 and 4,000 miles per oil change. So most mechanics will recommend that you change your oil every 5,000 miles or every 6 months. So this says 7,500, and under severe conditions, you'd be about half that. So that's less than 4,000. I would say that's a pretty good interval, especially if you're in the big city, and if you want your car to last longer, you want to go ahead and do the oil change more frequently. So that's just a point for me, a long-time mechanic here, so do with that what you will, but I just wanted to share a little bit of insight into what the owner's manual says and what a lot of mechanics will tell you. So thanks for watching this. Please come back and watch some more. Have a good one, and don't forget to like and subscribe.